Machine learning is part of artificial intelligence. In machine learning, three important things are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. As part of supervised learning, we provide label data for training. So what it means, when we are training the model, we, let's say, provide the picture of a dog or a cat, and by that machines learn, and then we test those models to identify new animals or new objects. In unsupervised learning, no label data is provided. So it means data is provided to the machine, and machine finds out various categories which may be there into that data. So let's say if we take example of a newspaper, equivalent of that data, if it is provided as a unsupervised learning to the machine, so it may club and categorize the sport related data, the other, let's say, politics related data, some data related to which are related to, let's say, kid and child section, and similarly some data can be there related to that society. So it's a categorization of data which happens in the unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning is the most powerful thing. In that, when machines look at the data and identify certain results, that time human also gives a feedback. The way we all have grown up, when we do some things good, our parents reward, and when we don't do something good, parents tell us that it was not correct, or teacher tells that it was not correct. Same thing happened in the reinforcement learning. So here that model has to arrive at certain outcome. If it is not able to arrive, let's say in one iteration, then the instruction is given, or sort of that action is discouraged. When it is able to arrive at that action, then it is rewarded, and like that machine keep on learning. Reinforcement learning become very much important in our various recommendation system, because when various ads are shown to you on the digital media, depending on whether you have liked that ad or not liked, or taken action, not taken action, it understands which all type of ad should be shown to the human, that person. Similarly, for anything which has a long-term action like energy saving, so there also this reinforcement learning plays a very important role. So these are the three main things: unsupervised learning, supervised learning, and reinforcement learning, which forms part of machine learning. Apart from that, there is a deep learning also. In deep learning, we can think of it, there is a input layer and there is a output layer, and in between there are various other hidden layers are there. We can think of those hidden layers the way our human brain works. So it's like those neurons are there, so through that input data is provided, it passes through those hidden layers to which various weightage has been assigned, or various processing happened, and then the output comes out. As the name says, deep learning, it means the deep processing happens. More number of layer, more so that way more processing happened, and in that, after that deep learning, we are able to do many other things, which is to able to identify images or categorize images, and much more things can be done with the deep learning. So these are the main concepts which are there in the artificial intelligence. Apart from that, as I said, artificial intelligence contains machine learning and the computer vision, robotics, and many other things. If you like this video, please provide your comment in the section below. If you wanted to read more about this, you can go to my website www.raktimsingh.com. Subscribe to my channel, Raktim Singh. Thank you.